Did you know that after you finish composing your email in Gmail, you can schedule the time that you want that email to be sent to the recipient? I'm going to show you how to do that. Here I have an email written price list, which I'm sending to test@gmail.com. Now, I would want that email to be sent on a separate day, not today. So what I do is I go where it says send and I click the drop down button. When I click that, a schedule send button will appear and then I click on it. So you see, there are suggestions as to when I can send this email. So I would like to pick a date instead of using a pre-made date and time. I would like to send this on the 19th and I would like it to be sent at 8. So what I do next is to then say schedule send. So I will not see the email in the sent box. It's not in there, but I will find it in the schedule sent box. It will automatically tell us when the email will be sent, which is 19 February. We also have the option of opening it and taking a look at how it looks. What if I would like to cancel that scheduled email? All I have to do is to go where it says cancel send and then click that. Once that's done, it is sent to be a draft email, because if I save and close here, we can find it in drafts over there. So this is how you schedule an email to be sent later in Gmail.